Welcome to our lesson on personal and object pronouns. Today we'll explore what these pronouns are, how to use them, and look at examples to make everything clear. By the end of the lesson, you'll feel confident using them in your sentences. Let's get started. Let's start by understanding personal pronouns. These pronouns replace nouns and show who or what is performing an action in a sentence. Here are the personal pronouns. I, first person singular. You, second person singular or plural. He, she, it, third person singular. We, first person plural. They, third person plural. Notice how these pronouns can represent both singular and plural forms. Take a moment to look at the table and familiarize yourself with them. Now let's look at object pronouns. These pronouns are used to replace nouns that receive an action in a sentence. Here are the object pronouns. Me, first person singular. You, second person singular or plural. Him, her, it, third person singular. Us, first person plural. Them, third person plural. It's important to understand the difference between personal and object pronouns. Personal pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence, like in he plays football. On the other hand, object pronouns are used as the object of the sentence, like in I like him. To make it easier, think of personal pronouns as the ones performing the action and object pronouns as the ones receiving it. Let's look at some examples to see these pronouns in use. For personal pronouns, we can say, she is my friend, or we are going to the park. For object pronouns, consider can you help me, or I saw them yesterday. Notice how the pronouns change depending on their role in the sentence. Keep these examples in mind. They'll be useful during the practice exercises. Now it's your turn to try. Replace the nouns in these sentences with the correct pronouns. For example, in the sentence Maria likes John, we can say she likes him. Take a moment to work on these exercises. Don't worry, I'll show you the answers soon. To conclude, remember, personal pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence, while object pronouns are used as the object. Using pronouns makes sentences simpler and easier to follow. Thanks for joining this lesson on personal and object pronouns. Remember, learning English takes practice, so keep going. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more tips and exercises. Follow us for more resources to improve your English. See you in the next lesson.